Welcome back to SoapNcrafts. Last time I demonstrated how to make a fast curing soap, so you can unmold it within 2 to 3 hours and have the mold ready for the next batch. In this video, I will show you the recipe for the piping cream. I will walk you through the 3 trace stages: light trace, medium trace, and thick trace. A quick reminder, because cold processed soap involves handling lye, make sure you're wearing proper safety gear for your own protection. When making whipped cream soap, it's best to start with a small batch, so you can keep everything under control. In this recipe, I'm using a blend of coconut oil, shea butter, olive oil, and camellia seed oil. Then I just multiply each oil by its SAP value. This helps to determine how much sodium hydroxide is required for each oil. Now just add them all up to find the total sodium hydroxide you need. To apply a 5% lye discount, just multiply the number by 95%. I use water at twice the weight of the lye to achieve a slower trace. Let's get started. In a measuring cup, measure the amount of water. Add in sodium hydroxide gradually in small portions. Mix thoroughly, then set it aside to let it cool. In a larger measuring cup, measure both solid oils, coconut oil, and shea butter. Microwave for about 90 seconds. You could also go with any other method you like. In the same oil measuring cup, add in 2 other soft oils, olive oil and camellia seed oil. You could add 2 teaspoons of zinc oxide. This is optional if you want to lighten the color. Wait till both temperature dropped below 35 degrees Celsius to combine. Pour the lye solution into the oils, filtering it through a strainer. Gently tap the stick blender to remove excess air bubbles, and then start blending. Mix until light trace. This is when you draw a circle on the surface of the batter, and the mark stays visible instead of disappearing. When it's at light trace, you can use the batter like glue to stick 2 solid soap pieces together. You can also use this batter to create a chocolate cream drip or drizzle effect. During this time, you may notice the batter becoming thicker. This indicates that it's moving into a medium trace. Since I used double the amount of water in this recipe and mixed at a low temperature, the batch saponifies at a slower rate. This gives me plenty of time to create various designs and decorations. To reach the stage of heavy trace or thick trace, you really need to be patient, because it can take some time for the texture to thicken and become pipeable. You can continue using the stick blender to help speed up the process. Now you can see it getting thicker and firm enough to keep its shape. Let's get the piping bag ready and start piping some roses. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. You could also join the member for more tutorial videos.